Hello everyone. ఈ వీడియోలో మనము CSR June 2000 లో ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ని సాల్వ్ చేద్దామండి. First let us read down this question. In an experiment 1.99 gram of bromide A on reaction with ethanolic potassium hydroxide gave 1.062 gram of a mixture of the olefins B and C. If the ratio of the olefins B is to C formed is 2:1, the yields for their formation are. So E elimination reaction lo we have to find out the percentage of B as well as the percentage of C. So let us see how to calculate this. First, let us write down the molecular formula of this A. Now, the molecular formula of this A is, now see here, this is, there are 6 carbons here, 7, 8, 9, this is C9. So the molecular formula of A is C9 and then 5 hydrogens, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. C9H11Br. So therefore, the molecular weight of A is equal to 108 plus 11 plus 80, and this becomes 9, this becomes 9. So this is 199 gram per mole. And we know that this is an E2 reaction, and then this for this there are 2 beta hydrogens are available. 2 beta hydrogens are available. The base OH minus will abstract this beta hydrogen to give rise to the formation of an alkene C, and the base OH minus will abstract this hydrogen, leading to the formation of B. So B and C are positional isomers. Now here there is a loss of H plus is there as well as Br minus is there. So therefore HBr is lost in this process, and then once you remove HBr from this, the molecular formula of this becomes C9H10. And then B is C9H10. So B and C. So this is nothing but the B and C. B and C are positional isomers. And the molecular weight is equal to, this is 108 plus 10, that is equal to 118 gram per mole. Now as per this stoichiometric equation, now 199 gram per mole of A, that gives rise to 118 gram per mole of B and C. And we have started here with 1.99 grams of A. So 1.99 gram of A, now that gives rise to how much? So 1.99 gram into 118 gram per mole here, all divided by 119 gram per mole. So gram per mole gets cancels, and then this is 1.19 and this is 1.99, this becomes 10 power minus 2, and therefore this becomes 1.18 gram of B and C. Now this is nothing but the theoretical yield. So therefore the theoretical yield is equal to 1.18 gram. The actual yield that is given is 1.062 gram. So the percentage yield, so we know the formula for percentage yield is equal to actual yield by theoretical yield. Actual yield all divided by theoretical yield into 100. So this is the formula we have. This is the formula for the percentage of yield. Therefore, the percentage of yield, now that becomes equal to, so the actual yield is 1.062 gram by 1.18 G into 100. Now, if we do this calculation, now this becomes 1.062 into 100 is equal to that divided by 1.18 is equal to 90. So this becomes 90%. But given ratio of B is to C is equal to 2:1. Therefore, percentage of B is equal to 2 by 3. So total is 3. 2 by 3 of 90. That is equal to 60%. And the percentage of C is equal to 1 by 3 of 90% is equal to 30%. Therefore, percentage of B is equal to 60%. And the percentage of C is equal to 30%. Therefore, the answer is Answer is A. Answer is A. Thank you. We'll discuss another question in the next video.